Karena kita akan membahas topik ini, jadi bagaimana sih kita memanfaatkan AI untuk mendukung kegiatan audit internal kita.
And today in 2026 we have AI. This is what we call it Industry 4.0. And for us as internal auditor, our role transformed from conducting internal audit in the industrial age to conducting audit 4.0 in the intelligence age. So the question here, why our name still old? Right? What do we still call ourselves when we are inside organizations? So let's speak about the first thing, risk-based scoping. How can we use AI to help us in scoping the risk, focusing on the risk? They say, number one, looking at the transaction pattern. By going and integrating all the data that we have, the meaning, usually how we do the audit, we need to look at previous audits. We need to look at what requests we have from audit committee. We need to look at the risk areas that we need to focus on that's considered high. We need to look at what are the industry saying. Rather than doing all this work ourselves, AI can integrate all this information and tell us what are the areas we need to focus on. Today with AI can use generative AI to understand all this information. Focus, which one is priority, which one is not. Not only that, collect the relevant evidence. So today, so many organizations, they connected AI with their hotline. So for example, someone complaining about a case, immediately the AI will look at the case, will connect with the email system, generate the emails related to this case, will connect with the HR file, generate the files related to these individuals involved, go connect to the back end, generate the transaction related to the complaint, and summarize this and rate it if it's high, low, and medium, and send it to the right department for them to process.